never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to dim my light, cause they know I'm about to shine. When they say I'm not hot, now you know you niggas.
What's up, y'all? So I just took my wig off, took my braids out. I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks. My head is itching and I need to wash it, so that's what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna be washing my hair with Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Shampoo. This shampoo has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar, so this should give me like a good deep cleanse. I really need it. My head is itching and it needs to be washed. Since my hair has been like braided up for so long, well, not that long, but it has been braided up for these past 2 weeks, going on 3, and you know, it has a lot of tangles in it and everything like that. So I always like to use Cream of Nature's Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Conditioner. I like to use this every time I wash my hair anyways, because it just melts all my tangles away, and I raved about this in a previous video. You guys can check it out, but I absolutely love this conditioner. Swear by it. Gets rid of all tangles and just makes your hair so much easier to work with. Once I've hopped in the shower, I'm going to completely saturate my hair. Now it kind of takes a while to completely get my hair soaking wet because I have low porosity hair, so it's kind of hard to get water in it, but I just take my time to completely saturate my hair. And I actually like to go ahead and like kind of squeeze my hair to just squeeze the water into it. Once my hair is completely wet, it's time to shampoo. And like I said, I'm using Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo with which it contains shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. There's actually so many things I love about this shampoo. I love how it smells. I love that it can be used for natural, chemically processed, and heat styled hair. It's sulfate free. Y'all, this is just like a container of goodness. But anyways, once I've shampooed my hair 2 times, I'm going to follow up with Cream of Nature's Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Conditioner. Now, I told y'all earlier, I absolutely love this conditioner. It's gonna just melt my tangles away. So yeah, that's why I like to use this conditioner. I just apply it to my hair, kind of get under the water a little bit so it can run, you know, run the product through a little bit, and then it just helps to melt my tangles away. Makes my hair super soft. Yeah, I just love it. I basically just start at the ends of my hair and work my way up to my roots, and I'm using my wet brush. I really like using this brush in the shower to help detangle my hair. It works really good. I haven't had a Denman brush in a while. I need to go buy me another one. But yeah, this is the brush that I've been loving to use to detangle my hair. I also have to break my hair up into smaller sections when I detangle. It just makes it a lot easier to work with. You know, sometimes when you're working with just a whole chunk of hair, it can be a lot harder to detangle. So I kind of break it up a little bit too. So it makes it a lot easier for me to detangle. And while I was detangling my hair, I had so much shed hair. But yeah, I just take my time to thoroughly detangle my hair. Today I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition with the Mielle Organics Babasu Oil Mint Deep Conditioner, and you guys should check out my video all about using the Mielle Organics line. I use the styling gel and the leave-in and also this deep conditioner. If I haven't already said it yet, this is definitely one of my like top 5 deep conditioners at the moment. I love how it smells and makes my scalp just tingle. And now that I think about it, this whole routine right here is kind of like a hair growth video as well, because the shampoo had peppermint in it and this deep conditioner has peppermint in it, and that just helps to stimulate your hair, and then I'm helping cleanse the scalp. So yeah, this gonna help my hair grow some more, right? So I've completely saturated my hair in the deep conditioner, and all I'm gonna do is like tie it up, put a shower cap on it, and let it deep condition for like 30 minutes to like an hour. So once my hair is done deep conditioning, I will come back to you guys. So after letting my hair decondition for about an hour in this shower cap, it's time to hop in and rinse all of this deconditioner out. So that's what I'm doing right now, just taking my time to thoroughly rinse all of the deconditioner out of my hair. And this is what my hair is looking like. It looks so good, yes. So here I am, fresh out of the shower. My hair is just still damp right now. Well, it's not damp, it's pretty wet. And yep, I'm gonna go ahead and put some leave-in in it and probably braid it back up so I can put another wig back on it, because I've been really rocking the wigs lately for the summertime. I feel like my hair grows so much more during the summer, so I'm gonna put another wig back on, braid it up so it can continue to grow. I feel like every time I take my wigs off, my hair has grown. Like, my hair is getting so long now and I am loving it. Although I am pretty upset that my hair has gotten so long that I can't do a puff no more. And y'all, a puff was like my go-to. Like, I love doing a puff and now I can't even do it no more. My hair is too long, so I have to kind of like modify it and it looks like a bun. Yeah, that's one thing I miss about my hair growing longer. But yep, that's all I wanted to share with you guys today, was how I shampoo and clean my hair after wearing a wig. Yeah, let me know in the comments some of your favorite shampoos to use when you're cleansing your hair or when you're cleaning it after wearing a wig, sewing, any type of weave. So go ahead and let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, helps your girl out, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell. But yeah, that's it, your girl is out. Deuces.
Yeah, couple years ago, man, this shit was just a dream to me. Young nigga got the block hot now. Yeah, every single thing a nigga drop out now. I've been trying to get it on the low. Been putting in work and it shows. A lot of people